Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Let me show you how to make this healthy, nutritious, and quick soya chunks stir fry. First, you're going to pre-soak your soya chunks for 20 to 25 minutes, should be fine. Whilst it's pre-soaking, you work on your sauce. So you need some light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, some oyster sauce, about 1 teaspoon, half cup of water, a little white vinegar, and honey for the sweetness. Give this a stir and set it aside. Then you're going to chop some garlic, chili, and red onion. Give this a stir. Then you add your soya chunks. Make sure your fire is hot or set to high for this recipe. Add some shiitake mushrooms or oyster mushrooms and carrots. Give this a stir. Add sliced bell pepper and pour over your soy sauce mixture. And to thicken this sauce, you're gonna need about half cup of cornstarch slurry. Look below for the recipe and don't forget to subscribe and share this recipe. Add about 1 tablespoon of chili pepper or powder. And lastly, some cucumbers. You want to have them crunchy, so keep it for the last. And then there you have it, ready within 30 minutes. Your quick and nutritious soya chunk stir fry is ready, packed with so much goodness. Garnish it with sesame seeds and it's perfect with rice, noodles, or even on its own. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that follow button, like it, and subscribe for more delicious, healthy meals. Thanks for watching. Bye.